guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So today I will be trying the Nature cereal. Nature cereal. And I got special guest and her name is
Barbara.
And that's my Aunt Barbara. So we got the coconut water. But we're going to open one to start off with. And we washed off the fruit. So y'all don't got to worry about that. So we just going to pour it in our bowl. I'm going to use my spoon to get them. Make sure you get every fruit, not just some fruit.
Right now in here, but the blueberries, raspberries.
It got everything we need. Oh yeah, and we don't got, I forgot what it's called. We don't got the pomegranate, because it's not that time of season where we live at, so.
Pomegranate.
Yeah, we don't got that. So, yeah. We got everything else besides that. We forgot our ice. Can you want us to get our ice?
You don't have to have
Yeah,
ice.
they say you have to have ice, so you gotta get the ice. Just get 6 or 4. 1 to 1. You're just gonna get 1 to 1.
Who told you had to have ice?
They also say you're supposed to have ice.
Well, you gonna do it without ice.
Okay, we just gonna
The
do
ice
it.
just make it cold.
Okay, we just gonna do it without ice. It's bad enough we already got dip this cold fruit.
That's enough for me.
That's enough.
Yes, it is.
No, I'm just gonna get a little bit more.
Well, you go ahead.
I'm gonna get some more blueberries.
I don't do the blueberries like that. Now that's the blueberry muffin.
Okay, so I don't know if you're supposed to shake it, so I just shook it up. You go first. It got chunks in it because it's in the can.
Coke.
That's good enough, I guess.
That's more than.
No, I think you're supposed to. I don't know.
You're supposed to put enough in there as if you was eating a bowl of cereal.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's these white things?
I
the
just
Coke.
said that. I got no raspberry. I'm trying to get every last one, every fruit, so it won't make it seem like I'm just trying certain fruits. So
I think y'all need more coconut water.
I think I got enough. I add more.
You need more, Barbara.
Yeah, you need more fruit. Period. You don't got
I
nothing
need
in
no
it.
more fruit. That's enough.
Okay, I never tried coconut water, so I'm very scared.
You ain't by yourself.
Okay, you never tried coconut water?
No.
Me either. Okay, let's just get started. 1, 2, 3. Not bad. It's pretty good.
You gotta
I
get
don't
some
like it.
spoon.
I don't like it.
What do you like about it?
I don't like it.
You don't like fruit?
I like fruit, but these strawberries is hard.
Yeah, they're a little hard.
So,
I gotta eat all this.
spoon up some of the coconut water by itself and taste it. Do you like it?
No.
No. No.
It tastes good with the fruit though.
It don't taste good with the fruit to me. I gotta eat all this.
Yes,
Yeah.
you do.
Didn't I tell you I ain't want to?
It's good for you.
No.
You gotta talk to the people.
Hey y'all, it's good, but I think I don't like coconut water with the raspberries. I mean, what is it called?
They raspberry.
Blackberries.
Raspberry.
Oh, they raspberry. I don't like the raspberry with the coconut water because I don't like raspberry period either. So even with the coconut water and raspberry, it's just nasty.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna still eat it because it's not bad.
Oh, sit down. You hunched over.
It's not bad to her, but it is to me. I don't like it.
Explain why you don't like it. Go
I don't like
just
it.
go by details.
I don't like it. I don't like the blueberry. Only way I like blueberries is blueberry muffins. I don't like the raspberry.
I don't like raspberry either.
The strawberries is hard. And this water is not cutting it. It's not regular water. No.
So you just don't like none of it.
No.
You just don't like none of it.
I don't like none of it.
I don't like raspberries. I don't like none of the raspberries. If I'm eating blueberry muffin, eating blueberries, I'm only eating blueberry muffins. I don't like
Yeah.
blueberries
Exactly.
and raspberries and just nasty. So the only thing I like is the strawberry. It's good together. It's just because I don't like coconut water. It's the fruit that I don't like that's in here. It's not giving it.
Well, it's your first time tasting the coconut water. You gotta let it grow on you.
I think so. Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you straight up, this coconut water is not gonna grow on me.
Yeah, it's not.
It's not gonna grow on me. That's just like that flavored water. That don't grow on me because I don't like flavored water.
Me either.
That Nestle flavored water. Oh, that thing smack. Oh, remember I used to get them all the time. The Nestle flavored waters. Man, that thing smack.
I don't like flavored water, period.
And
Because of that aftertaste.
I don't know. Coconut water is just not. No, it's not giving. It only gives flavor. I think it should have
It's
some.
water.
I think it should give some flavor.
Well, that's why I was thinking about getting the actual coconut. Remember we seen the coconut?
Yeah. Some people use coconut water. Coconut milk. They say it was better with the coconut milk.
And she's
But I
just
don't-
drinking, she's just eating strawberries out the container.
I've seen people do it all different type of ways.
Yeah, I've seen people use different kinds of fruits.
I've seen people with pineapple, just strawberry and watermelon, and pineapple. They have half of the tree, but I wanted to do how Lizzo did because I heard Lizzo started it. So I did
No,
Lizzo
she
too.
didn't start it. She just made it popular. Some guy on TikTok started it.
It ain't busting.
Well, them strawberries
Why-
must be busting because you sure.
Why you ain't eating the strawberry that's in your bowl?
This raspberry.
Oh, is it?
Did you been eating raspberry? So that's why I don't like raspberry sweet.
No, I thought all the red one was strawberry. Really. That's why they softer than the strawberry. That's why now they softer than the strawberry because it ain't strawberry, it's raspberry. Oh, so this is blackberry.
Save me some strawberries.
They gone.
She done ate all the strawberries.
Oh, that's fine.
Have you
The
ate one of
rest-
them yet?
The rest of you,
Why are you hungry? Oh.
this is not for me. I'm sorry, it's not busting.
Well, them strawberries.
Them
strawberries.
strawberries
You ate them
was
all.
Yeah, them strawberries was busting. But whoever one of these can have these, because this ain't it.
I'm done. I'm finished.
Drinking coconut water.
I'm not drinking that.
Aubrey, you gotta eat yours. She ears.
Oh,
I'm not
Lord.
drinking that.
I think I should stir me some strawberries. The raspberry do kind of look like strawberries. I get what you do.
The raspberry is not bad. It's just I don't like blackberries. I really don't like blackberries.
This was so nasty.
Okay, I'm done.
You told Barbara she had to eat all hers.
And I ate all mine.
She surely did.
Yeah, drink that coconut water.
I'm not drinking that water because
She
it's
was
nasty.
Eat this from your mama. I don't know.
So you better stop playing with me.
This is so nasty. I think
I don't know why you put it back down there because you gotta eat it.
Y'all don't.
Yes, you do. I had to eat mine. You gotta eat
You gonna
that.
eat that fruit?
Act like you ain't see that.
Nope. You gotta eat that. I had to eat mine, so you gotta eat yours.
You just gonna watch me eat it?
Ain't nobody tell you put all that in there. Now.
Right, because you definitely dipped, she dipped her spoon back in the thing. So
Exactly.
like, I need
Yes.
some waters. I need
Yes.
some waters.
Now. Yes. Yes, she did.
Mm. Dang, he's hard. Shout out to whoever eat blackberries, because it's nasty.
That's because you just like eating the basic fruit.
Yeah.
Strawberry, watermelon, pineapple.
Yeah, no, just other stuff.
But you gotta eat that. I don't know why you keep putting it back in that bowl, because you gotta eat it. I had to eat mine.
I
No,
think.
because you eat oranges too.
Oh yeah, I can eat mine how I want it.
What?
I'm eating mine how I want it.
As long as you eating it.
You want to eat it?
I done ate mine.
Then you did it.
Yes, I did. You know you still on the thing.
Come on. Alright, you get half of the blueberries, I get half. So we eat it together. Teamwork makes the dream work. Let it be the lively ticket. You'll be right on it.
So let it be a lottery ticket. You will be right on it. Mm-mm.
These blueberries and raspberries, it ain't looking
It's
good.
stressing you out.
Yes, it is coconut one. It's giving it back.
Well, I'm finished.
Alright, well, you gotta go eat. Hold on.
So I'm gonna do that because I can't eat this. This is going to waste. I'm sorry. That ain't it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your bell so you notify when I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.